In this video, I'm gonna tell you exactly how to choose your niche in your personal brand so you can start selling info online to make good money. First of all, there's pretty much 3 niches, out there, that can easily be scalable and make you a ton of money. So first of all, obviously, health, right? There's plenty of fitness guys, fitness coaches, teaching people how to get a six-pack, how to transition their body from fat to fit, etc. and etc. And this is very powerful, A lot of these guys are making 50k per month, some of them are making 100k per month. You get the point. Very scalable, lucrative. And then obviously there's relationships. People have problems, These are all problem related. That's why this is super scalable and easy to convert the viewer into a customer, because they have problems. Relationships. Do you get a lot of women? Do you know some tactics about, how to flirt with these women, this and that, how to find the right partner, etc. and etc. I'm personally not too interested in that niche because I'm not too passionate about it, I wouldn't talk about it and sell it, but still there's a lot of guys like FitX Fearless who does these kind of things, FitX Fearless, in my opinion, a great guy, does good shit. But listen, this is where I come in play, Wealth. Because I talk about wealth in this channel. I talk about wealth in my main channel that I actually scaled to over I made multiple 6 figures with that. I taught people how to trade, And wealth is also amazing because this is like very scalable. You're talking about money, People, when they buy your course, they see that as investments, because it literally is if you provide great value. Because for me, people buy my mentorships. If they actually took it serious, they got results because they now got the right guidance and they make money with trading. They got this skill. It's literally an investment. You have to ask yourself, which one of these 3, health, relationships, or wealth, then you have to ask yourself, are you actually passionate about the thing that you just chose, that relates to you? Are you willing to post for free? Let's say you would have to post for free. Would you enjoy that work? Would you actually be passionate about it? Because there's a lot of guys, freaking gurus out there who tell like, no, you don't have to be passionate about it. Just put the work in, be disciplined. Obviously, discipline is great because sometimes you just don't feel like doing it, but you have to do it. But passion is fucking important. It's so important. I cannot just put the words in it, It's super important, I'm passionate about teaching people how to sell info and scale their info business. I'm passionate about trading. That's why I was able to make good money, You have to be passionate about it, because if you're not, eventually you'll just quit. Because first of all, I'm going to be completely honest, you're not going to see the results. If you're just starting, you're not going to see the results immediately. It takes time, but because you're passionate about, you're not going to quit, and eventually those results come and you're making a fuck ton of money, because in the process you learn this and that. But if you're not passionate about it, if you're not enjoying it even a little bit, if you're not motivated, it's not gonna listen. Your human brain is gonna be like, hell nah, this is a waste of time, because that's like evolution. That's like our primal brain, If you're not enjoying it, it seems like a waste of time. It's a bad habit, they think, Your brain thinks, So be passionate about it, That was just a mini rant about passion, but you have to be passionate about it, People are talking shit online, right? They're saying, oh, don't be passionate about it. Regardless, be passionate about it. If you are, then you have to ask yourself, what problem did you solve yourself in that specific area of life, Health, relationship, wealth. Then you create a decision. You decide that your niche is gonna be X, fucking e-commerce store, how to create your e-com store profitably, Let's say that's your niche, in the finance. Then you're not gonna reinvent the wheel, because a lot of these guys think that you have to be exceptional, you have to just create these crazy ass videos. No, you can just find your competition in the niche, Find your best top 3, top 5, top 10 people in the competition, who are doing stuff, succeeding with their videos. Don't just look at the views. Look at how many people are actually converting into buying customers. Do they have a lot of students who are paying them, Are they posting testimonials, this and that? So look at that, and then you're gonna copy them, copy their style, and put your own twist to it, And many people may think that's unethical, this and that, but I kid you not, the people that you look up to are doing the same exact thing. They're copying other people and putting their own twist into it, That is how it goes. That's the game, But listen, this is business. Business can be very brutal sometimes, right? And then you're gonna create your offer, whether is it a mentorship, like for me, all right, that's mentorship is amazing because you can literally sell it high ticket, like a fucking I've literally had people consistently paying me $5,000 per person. Okay, $5,000. You can go up to 25K if it's a great offer. Okay, or a courses usually you can sell it monthly or you can sell it for once, but it's usually kind of in the low mid tickets. It can be good for recurring revenue, but you can also turn the mentorship into a recurring revenue. I've talked about this before. You can literally, they pay you up front, let's say $5,000, and after that they're gonna pay you 1.5K to stay in the mentorship per month. Okay, per month they can pay you 1.5K after paying the payment of 5K, the upfront. Okay, the reason why that is so powerful because that also, it's the high ticket, but also gives you recurring revenue per month. Okay, monthly payments, right? So that's course, and this is mentorship. Mentorship is just the ultimate winner. Okay, but community also is very amazing, especially if you have a great audience, you have a massive audience, and you just want to monetize. And community is, it's just an amazing way to monetize your content. Okay, because it doesn't require a lot of money for people to pay and get the community, but it's still, again, if you have a lot of people, make it special, make the community special, exclusive. And you can also host like live, like Hamza Ahmed. If you guys know Hamza Ahmed, the Jeffrey Adonis guy, he has this community where he literally sometimes, maybe once a year or something like that, he just tells people to come into this location, let's have some fun, let's do some push-ups, etc. Okay, in the self-improvement niche. But regardless, then you're gonna solve your clients' problems and get them results inside the mentorship course or even the community. People are helping each other. Okay, that's very important. Make sure that your students succeed, because that means more money for you with the testimonials, more money for them if it's a finance niche, or more success to them with relationships, or more muscles for them in the health niche. Okay, it's very important to get them the results, because more results you get, the more clients you get. And if it's a shit offer, unfortunately, you're gonna get bad reviews, bad thing, and business is gonna go stagnant. So please make sure that you get the guys results, and make sure that you know what you're doing. But hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. As usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.